Hi and welcome, this is JamJar34 for an unboxing of this Black Powder 2nd edition Waterloo box set, starter box set. This is something that I did dive into a while back, and I thought, after talking to a friend of mine, that he wouldn't mind me having a look at painting some historic stuff. So as I'm sort of more into the Napoleonic Wars, I thought I'd buy this. Got it off Amazon. It's quite a good price actually, so yeah, it's all good. So I'm just going to do a quick unboxing, let you know, and then I can get started on it. So this is sort of trying to raise my sort of game up with my painting. There's horses in there, quite intricate detail, and I think this will be quite good just for me, just so that I can increase my skill and techniques for painting different things rather than the usual Games Workshop stuff. So let's have a quick look. Just do, there you go, Waterloo. So let's have a look and see what's inside. I've opened it already, had a look. It's really nice and I like it a lot. So we've got in there this book. Waterloo. I've had a look through this book, read some of it. It sort of tells you, it's got a map there, which I like. The history of the battle, comments from it says, forwards, I hear you say it is impossible, but it must be done. I have given my word to my comrade Wellington. You would not have me break my word. There's got different comments and things from different, great pictures as well. The quick start rules as well, which is nice pictures. Rules, terrain, short range, long range, profiles, and the brake test at the back. Then you get this book. So it's quite detailed, this little book. It's a bit like the Warhammer Fantasy Battles little book. I've actually got the bigger book as well, so with special formations and so yeah, all good, it's all good. This bit is actually pretty sound. As you can see, there's the rules on there. Movement, shooting, morale, +1 for this, +1 for that, and then you get this on the side, which I find quite good. French, and then you get this one on there, casualties, which I find quite good, because then you can, if you haven't got any casualties, then you can put the cardboard down. 6 dice. Lead free. That's the only metal in the box. Packed by no other than Mr. Lee. Then you've got the plastic. 24 of those. There's 138 models in here. So that's one. Then you've got obviously the horses. The horses. So that's all cool. The vases. What's that one? Oh, that's the English. I think that one's English by the looks of things. It's all in plastic, which is nice. Nice and simple to import. Then the French on this side. What are these? Oh, they're the French as well, the longer coats. More English. And that's about it really. Some more. So do that stack there, put that stack there, and then obviously put them on top of there. So that's all the miniatures, 138, including metal cannon, artillery, got a bit of swarf on there, but that's alright. So guys, there you go. There's my little starter set. I'm gonna start working on them now. I can now because I've done the unboxing. Like, subscribe, and do the funky stuff down below. Sorry it's been a long time, but I've been busy with work. It's madness at the moment. And I hope to see you in the next video for the Waterloo episode 2. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Share this video wherever you want to, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. Bye bye. Ba-ding.